Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How to keep your dip from getting hard. As mentioned earlier, evaporated milk will help slow down the pace at which your Velveeta cheese dip hardens. However, if you want to keep it from hardening altogether is to serve it out of a crock pot. 2 January 2020.
Take our lead.
Velveeta quickly solidifies as it cools down after heating. You can slow this process 2 ways. Incorporate about 1/4 cup milk or a can of Rotel dip into the melting cheese. This will change the consistency, but it will remain liquid longer.
Take our lead.
Skim milk, canola oil, milk protein concentrate, whey, sodium phosphate, modified food starch, contains less than 2% of jalapeno peppers, salt, maltodextrin, lactic acid, vinegar, whey protein concentrate, sorbic acid as a preservative, sodium alginate, apocarotenol and annatto, color, vitamin A palmitate.
Take our lead.
Learn how to thin out queso to give it the ideal consistency. Add milk to the queso while it is still in the saucepan. Stir in small amounts of milk over medium to low heat until desired consistency is achieved. Substitute cheddar cheese soup for blocks of cheese. Add beer to the queso.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Shred a pound of Velveeta cheese or cut it as small as you can. Pour the cheese into the slow cooker and cover it. Allow the cheese to heat on low setting for 30 minutes. Occasionally stir the cheese to help it to melt evenly.
Take our lead.
Melting Velveeta on the stovetop. Shred or cube the Velveeta. Bring a couple of inches of water to a full boil in the bottom half of a double boiler. Add the cheese to the top half of the double boiler and set it over the hot water. Reduce the heat to medium.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.